The 2026 Chevy Camaro arrives as the next evolution of an American muscle legend, blending heritage-inspired aggression with modern performance, technology, and design. For decades, the Camaro has stood as a symbol of raw power and driving excitement, and the latest model continues that legacy while pushing it forward into the future. With sharper styling, advanced engineering, and a range of powerful engine options, the 2026 Camaro aims to satisfy drivers seeking both thrilling performance and everyday usability. From the first look, the 2026 Chevy Camaro makes an unmistakable impression. Its exterior design is wider, lower, and more aerodynamic than before, giving the car a bold stance and improved high-speed stability. Sharp LED headlights and sleek taillights frame an aggressive front fascia, while muscular wheel arches and a sculpted hood emphasize its performance-oriented intentions. The new bodywork enhances airflow and reduces drag, helping both speed and fuel efficiency in a car that balances muscle car tradition with modern engineering gears with past generations. Chevrolet offers multiple trim levels for the 2026 Camaro, including performance-focused variants that cater to different driving preferences. The lineup is expected to include models ranging from the capable base and ICE versions to high-good SS and flagship ZL1 or Z28 trims. Each configuration balances unique performance traits, allowing buyers to choose a Camaro tailored to their desired level of power, handling, and exclusivity. Under the hood, the 2026 Camaro delivers a range of potent powertrain choices to satisfy a wide audience of muscle car enthusiasts. Traditional V8 power remains a centerpiece of the lineup, especially in the top performance trims, where engines are finely tuned for maximum output and exhilarating acceleration. These V8 options produce significant horsepower and torque figures, providing the deep, throaty soundtrack and rapid speed once synonymous with classic muscle cars. In addition to V8 power, Chevrolet is expected to offer hybrid assisted powertrains that blend internal combustion with electric assistance. These hybrid options aim to deliver responsive throttle performance while improving fuel efficiency and broadening the Camaro's appeal to a wider range of drivers. By combining traditional muscle power with electrified support, the 2026 Camaro bridges the gap between classic performance and modern automotive trends. Performance figures for the 2026 Camaro are impressive across the board. V8-powered models are anticipated to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3 seconds or slightly more, with top speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour in the highest trims. These numbers underscore the Camaro's role as a serious contender in the modern performance car market, challenging rivals with its blend of power, agility, and heritage-inspired character. The new chassis and suspension setup contribute significantly to the Camaro's handling prowess. Engineers have tuned the suspension to absorb road imperfections while maintaining sharp body control during spirited driving. Adaptive dampers and performance-oriented steering enable confident cornering, while improved aerodynamics keep the car stable at high speeds. Whether navigating winding back roads or cruising on the highway, the 2026 Camaro delivers a composed yet thrilling driving experience. Inside the 2026 Camaro, the focus turns to driver engagement and modern connectivity. The cabin blends performance-centric features with contemporary comforts, creating an environment suited to both track days and daily drives. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while a large touchscreen infotainment system integrates seamlessly with popular smartphone platforms such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for instant connectivity. Comfortable, supportive seating helps keep the driver and passengers engaged during aggressive maneuvers, while premium materials like leather or Alcantara elevate the interior feel. Available ambient lighting and customizable display options enhance the cockpit's atmosphere, making the Camaro's interior feel both high-tech and welcoming. Practical storage solutions and intuitive controls further support everyday usability, demonstrating that the Camaro can be as comfortable on the commute as it is fierce on the open road. Chevrolet has also packed the 2026 Camaro with advanced safety and driver assistance technologies, designed to enhance confidence on every drive. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision alerts help protect occupants and mitigate risks in busy traffic or high-speed environments. A surround view camera system assists with parking and maneuvering, adding peace of mind when navigating tight spaces. In terms of technology and entertainment, the Camaro doesn't disappoint. Infotainment options include premium audio systems that elevate the in-car listening experience, while performance tools such as launch control, telemetry displays, and track-ready driving modes allow enthusiastic drivers to harness the Camaro's capabilities safely and effectively. Seamless integration with modern devices and connectivity platforms ensures that drivers stay connected and entertained on the go. The 2026 Chevy Camaro also honors its rich heritage through design cues and driving dynamics that evoke the spirit of earlier generations. While the car embraces modern aerodynamic efficiency and advanced materials, elements such as the iconic dual exhaust, muscular haunches, and aggressive proportions connect it to its legacy as an emblem of American performance. This blend of old and new resonates with longtime Camaro fans while still appealing to a younger generation of driving enthusiasts. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, the 2026 Camaro stands out by offering a compelling combination of tradition and innovation. Whether equipped with a traditional V8 or a hybrid enhanced powertrain, this newest Camaro iteration promises an exhilarating driving experience that lives up to the nameplate's legendary status. With its striking design, advanced technology, and broad appeal, the 2026 Chevy Camaro remains a standout choice for those seeking a modern muscle car that performs on every level. Final release expectations suggest the 2026 Chevy Camaro will arrive in showrooms by the latter half of 2025, giving enthusiasts plenty of time to experience its blend of heritage, performance, and cutting-edge engineering.